I've been using this compressed air duster for about a month now, and it's honestly been a game changer for keeping my workspace and car spotless. I used to go through so many cans of compressed air, but this electric duster has completely replaced them. Not only is it more powerful, but it's also so much more environmentally friendly since it's rechargeable. One of the first things I noticed was how powerful this little device is. The powerful motor generates a super strong airflow, which made it incredibly effective at blasting away dust from my computer keyboard, laptop vents, and other hard to reach places. It even has an LED display to show the power level, so I always know when it needs a recharge, though, to be honest, the battery life is pretty impressive. I've used it multiple times, and I've only had to recharge it once so far. Another thing I love is that it's cordless. I've used it not just in my home office, but also in my car to get dust out of the air vents and around the dashboard. It's lightweight and easy to handle, so I don't get tired using it for longer cleaning sessions. One unexpected perk is how quiet it is, considering how powerful it is. I was expecting it to be loud, but it's surprisingly manageable noise wise, which I appreciate since I often use it while my family is around. Overall, this electric air duster has been a fantastic investment. If you're tired of buying cans of compressed air or just want something more powerful and versatile, I highly recommend giving this a try. It's definitely made my cleaning routine so much easier.